I was inspired to create Car IQ because I felt cars are just driving around looking for things to pay. And it was a really big market, but it was also fragmented. People were using cards, they were using debit cards, they were using readers inside their windshields to pay for tolling. And I just thought there'd be an easier way to pay if you could use the data from the car to transact directly with the merchants. To not only enable a vehicle to pay for things, but also for the ability to store things in the vehicle. So now you can access your loyalty, rewards, and look at it very much like points on your airline miles. I think there is a big movement coming. So if I think about where does technology go when machines transact, it's not that there are two banking channels, consumer banking and commercial banking, is that we learned that there was a third channel forming, and that was machine banking. And that simply there are already hundreds of millions of IoT machines, including cars, that are connected to the cloud asking for service. We started talking about where does machine banking go? How is it different than a human transaction? How do we use identity to not only enable the transaction to happen, but to interact with the customer in a new way? We discovered that creating trust between a vehicle and the bank wasn't as easy as one would think, and that simply pushing data from the car up to the bank was not as easy as one would think either. So we had to create a new form of identity and verification. Years later, we now have a full working platform where banks can trust a machine to transact, where machines will be able to interact with the bank and the merchant without any human interaction at all. The Visa relationship is really important to us. Over the last year came not only a partnership with Visa, but it also became an investment from Visa, where Visa said, hey, we want to help you. We want to help you scale quicker. We want to help you pull your pipeline forward. And we just want to help you grow. And that's honestly been one of the greatest things that we've achieved in the company, is this relationship with Visa.